a Billy Bob?
Yeah.
So what if my head's in the clouds? How else could I see everything?
Y'all go all the way to Alabama to play that shit?
Alabama's like our big trip. This is like the fanciest place that we go to.
I'd say so for 700 for 3 damn days.
Yeah, I mean, we go to the beach. I mean, it still costs you $700, but I mean, that's like, that's 4 rounds of golf and like 5 days hotel stay.
Oh, that's a hotel stay included? That's not bad then.
Yeah.
You guys better bring your Xbox.
Yeah, I'll probably bring it for
Laptop.
like later at night. I mean, these old guys get drunk and fucking. Fuck it.
You got practice after practice, motherfucker.
Yeah, so we got a practice round. We get a practice round on Thursday morning. We're going down there Wednesday. We'll get there on Wednesday, and then we got a practice round on Thursday. Then for real match on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Not the Frizzle match.
Yeah, the for real match, son.
There's a squad that went on the right side up top, where JJ's going right now.
And I got no gun.
Yeah, Ari and a P20.
On a repeater.
Got an alternator and a shit fire, son.
I got 2 flatlines.
Oh fuck, I'm dead. I'm dead.
What all the way? Oh shit.
Oh god. It's go! Shot me through the wall! Did you see that shit? Hey, I can move my shield while I'm down.
Need help,
They're
Flatty.
fencing up.
I'm here. I fucked up 2 of them. Broke another. 2 of them broken.
Hey, one's coming up on this side. Two's coming up on this side.
God damn it, they're fully healed. God damn, that fucker takes a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Who is it? Fuse?
Oh, he's a fucking, your guy.
Newcastle.
It sure don't seem like it, dude.
JJ.